come and see this one.
Yeah, I will come. What you got?
This leaf stuck in the stone. See? You see the stone? Now he's living in the stone. See? Very nice, no? You see sea plant. What do you call this one? Stuck in the stone. They are living in the stone. So we'll return here in the ocean. This is our ship. We are on Geiranger, Norway. Very nice place. See? 90 waterfalls there.